In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a picture collage in CapCut. Whether you're looking to make a standout social media post, a fun memory reel, or just experiment with creative editing, CapCut makes the process straightforward and intuitive. You'll learn how to prepare, arrange, and fine-tune your media to create a polished collage that's ready for sharing. If you don't already have CapCut installed, you can download it for free, and if you're new to the platform, you'll find everything you need in the description below to get started. Let's dive into the tutorial. First, we'll begin by setting up our project. Open CapCut and start a new project. Think of this as setting up your digital canvas. This is where all the creative magic happens. Once your project is open, it's time to bring in your media. You can do this by clicking the Import button in the upper corner of the screen. Alternatively, if you have your files handy, you can simply drag and drop them directly onto the timeline. This flexibility makes it easy to get started. Don't worry too much about perfect placement right now, as you can always swap out or rearrange your photos and videos later. When selecting your media, make sure you include a mix of horizontal and vertical images. This variety allows you to fill your collage creatively and ensures you have plenty of options when arranging your layout. Next up, we're going to start arranging and resizing your collage. Begin by dragging your main video clip onto the primary video track. If you're not using a video and are working with just images, choose one photo to serve as your background. This will act as the foundation for your collage. So select something that complements the overall look you're aiming for. Now, add the images you want to feature into separate overlay tracks above the main video or background layer. Using overlay tracks is essential because it allows you to move and resize each photo independently without affecting the others. Once your images are in place, click on any image layer to start adjusting its size and position. You can use the handles on the preview screen to resize and move the photo around. This gives you precise control over where each photo appears in your collage. Next, adjust the length of each image directly on the timeline. This controls how long each photo stays visible in the final video. For quicker bursts of energy, shorten the clips. If you want a slower, more relaxed feel, extend the duration. Play around with these settings to find the timing that best suits your vision. Now it's time to customize your collage. Click on one of your image layers and in the top right menu, select the mask option. This feature lets you shape your photos into fun designs like circles, hearts, or other creative forms. Once you've chosen your mask, use the mask controls to adjust its size and position. This step ensures your image fits neatly into the shape and blends well with the rest of your collage. To add an extra touch of polish, adjust the feather slider. Feathering softens the edges of your mask, creating a smooth transition between your images. This small detail helps make your collage look more cohesive and professional. Repeat this masking process for each photo in your collage. It might take a little time, but the effort is worth it. It's these small details that elevate your overall design. Once all your images are arranged and customized, it's time to finalize the project. Select all your image layers, as well as the background layer if you're using one. Right-click and create a compound clip. Grouping these layers together makes it much easier to apply global edits like adjusting brightness, contrast, or color tones. This way, you can fine-tune the overall look of your collage without having to edit each layer individually. Next, adjust the aspect ratio of your project. Click the ratio button and select the size that best fits your intended platform. For example, vertical ratios are ideal for platforms like Instagram Stories or TikTok, while horizontal ratios work well for YouTube or widescreen displays. This ensures your collage looks perfect wherever you plan to share it. To add some finishing touches, consider adding transitions between clips. Head over to the Transitions library, select an effect you like, and drag it onto the timeline between your clips. Transitions help create a smooth flow between elements and give your collage a polished, professional feel. Finally, when you're happy with your creation, click the Export button in the top right corner to save your video. Choose your desired resolution and file format, and CapCut will finalize your collage, making it ready to share with the world. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a picture collage in CapCut, from importing your media to arranging, customizing, and exporting your final project. If you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.